Hello everyone, I'm Jie from the group DeepSick. Today, our group will present about the case study tool, which is Smart Subscription and Customer Experience Optimization. Our project name is SubGuardian AI. Churn is a critical issue in subscription businesses. 11 to 15% of customers cancel annually, and acquiring new customers costs 5 to 7 times more than retaining existing ones. Our analysis of 7,032 customer records reveal that 26.6% have already churned and 33.3% are at risk of leaving. That's over 2,300 customers at risk. The aim of SubGuardian AI is to predict churn before it happens and provide personalized retention recommendations. Our objectives are to collect and integrate customer data, develop a risk scoring algorithm, design an interactive dashboard, generate actionable recommendations, and provide real-time alerts. The business impact is significant. If a business has 10,000 customers paying $50 per month, a 10% churn rate means losing $600,000 annually. SubGuardian AI can reduce churn by 30 to 40%, saving hundreds of thousands of dollars.
Hi, my name is Liu Chiwen, and now I will do demonstration for our prototype SubGuardian AI, which is an intelligent business management platform for design to predict and prevent for customer crunch. So let's go to main dashboard. At main dashboard, you can see everything at glance. So we have total of 7032 customer in our system with current crunch rate of 26.6%. So the risk distribution chart will show everything which about the high risk, medium risk, and low risk of customer. And then it will have real-time alert highlight, which for the most critical customer who need immediate attention. For example, in our system now, prototype we write about is like Michael Tan and Sarah Lee here. So from here you can generate reports and launch a rental campaign with just one click. So for the second feature, which is the customer list. So when clicking the customer list, we will give you a complete view of subscriber. So you can search by customer ID, of course, and then you also can do for filter. Click on what you need to fill, and then the table will show key details. So once you go inside this page, it will show for 5 customer details only. So it will show customer ID, plan, tenure, monthly charge, and then contract time and other details. With over 6,000 customer, pagination make navigation easy, and you can export data to CSV or for offline analysis. So for the next thing is we click on view. So when you click on view, you can see all of the specific customer profile. So here we do for Sarah Lee, and then she flagged as medium risk. So on the left, we have her personal details, which write for all the things about Sarah Lee. And then on the right, we can see her plan details, which is she owns month-to-month contract with 89.9 ringgits monthly charge. So the risk assessment next will tell us exactly why she tracked and then what the reason. And then we can also track engagement metrics, which is about her activity. Her login activity is below average, which is another warning sign. And then here are the action we can take immediately. So send an offer email, schedule retention call, or the other. So finally, at the last feature is recommendations. So the AI powered recommendation page provide a complete retention playbook, which is for the staff, company staff, to do what is the guidance they need to do to prevent or predict the crunch customer. So all of this is the guidance. So in summary, SubGuardian's AI help business proactively to identify a risk customer, which understand why they are risks, and take an action to retain them. So reducing crunch by up to 40%. Thank you.